and welcome to my channel. It's Rebecca, also known as 4Kids at 147, and I've got a little unboxing today. So this is one of the things I purchased from the AliExpress sale, and I ordered this on the 24th of June and it's arrived today, the 4th of June. So let's get in it if we can. This is like padded to the hilt. I do think we have some sort of air packaging in here as well, but let's see if we can get past the tape. Oh, are we going to slide the whole thing out, or do we need to get in it more? I'm not sure. Let's see if we can pop some of this. It is surrounded by air bubble packaging, so let's see if I can cut through. Oh, did you hear it pop? See if I can cut through the air packaging to get it out. So this is it. So it may look familiar. This is storage that is very similar to the storage I normally use. So this is what I normally use. It's 28 compartments. They're all in. Oh, and I've got one that's open by the looks of it. It's my 939s. They come in strips of 4 and they each open individually. Now, quite often, that's not going to shut now because I've tipped 939s everywhere. Quite often, diamond paintings that I do use more than 28. So, for example, this one with 49, I was using 2 tubs. But then I spotted this when I was having a little shop on the AliExpress sale, and I thought, ooh, this might be handy, so I picked one up. So what this is a box that holds 2 sets, so they're still the same little 4 strips with 4 separate openings, but the box has it actually has a divider down the middle. So I'm not sure if you can see that, but it does have a divider there to stop them moving. But it actually is equivalent to 2 boxes in one. So I thought that might be quite handy when I am working on a painting that uses more. It should still fit in my tub, in my little, I've not got one in here, not got one in my craft room, but I thought this would be handy when I'm working on a double, so I can have both colours open and ready to go. Whereas at the moment, what I tend to do is I tend to have one open and then I'll have the other one on the top, and then I'll have it open that way, but of course they're not both flat, whereas this way they are. So this cost the grand sum of £5.15. Now, I have managed to find 4 of the other ones for between £5 and £10 on Amazon shipping from China. So I have tended to find the other ones a little bit cheaper, but even so, this is still a decent price, really, I think, for the amount of storage. And this was from the Angel House store on AliExpress. So just to show you, the Angel House store on AliExpress, and it's a 56 grid. They do all sorts of different sizes on there. I think their sizes for separate ones may be dearer. Let me just have a look. So they oh, hang on, that says no. So they do £3.92 for just the 128 half, so they are dearer for just the one, but it's the only place that I've seen them do the 56 all in one. I just spotted it while browsing, so I thought that will be handy for another diamond painting, and I can keep them all together rather than 2 separate boxes. So let me know what you think, if you like this storage. I do. I do really like this storage. I use quite a lot of it. My kids tend to pinch this one as well, or pinch some of my other spare boxes, which is why I'm getting lower. But yeah, I find these work really well. They hold about 4 packets in each, 3 or 4. Sometimes if they're quite small packets you might fit 5 in it, but I find for sitting next to me on the couch or sitting on my table with my diamond painting, this sort of size is a lot easier to move about. Let me measure the whole box for you, but the whole box itself is only 21 centimeters in width, and it's about 17.5 in the length, but the depth of it is 2.5 centimeters, maybe 3. So really it's nice, it's compact. You will end up having spare bags left over. It may not work for the massive projects, but I like them. I do really like them. I know some people can have a problem with the lids. They say they don't shut. All I do is I actually use my teeth, but I just push this out a bit further. So this is the bit that catches onto the plastic. If I find that's getting loose, I just push that out a little bit more, and then it tends to clip in a bit better. And the odd time I do have one that I don't shut properly, but that's my own fault, innit? So yeah, I thought I'd show you this new-ish style storage that I've got, just in case you also like them and would like a double. I'll pop the link down below. If I forget, as per usual, ask me the question. I'll reply with the link, and then I'll put it in the description for everybody else, because sometimes I forget when I'm editing. But yeah, I'm really happy with that, and I think that will get used possibly more than the single ones on projects going forward, but time will tell and we'll see, won't we? But yeah, any questions, ask them below and I'll get back to you. If you've liked this video, short as it is, please just give it a like, and thanks for watching, and I'll speak to you all next time. Bye.